Embarking on your doctoral journey is an incredible achievement, but we understand that completing your dissertation can be a challenging endeavor. We're here to help guide you through the process and help you reach the finish line. Step 1. Organize your thoughts. Start by creating a detailed outline. Step 2. Establish a writing routine. Consistency is key. Step 3. Utilize productivity tools. Step 4. Prioritize self-care. Remember, your well-being matters. Step 5. Seek support. You're not alone on this journey. Completing your dissertation is a significant accomplishment, and we believe in your ability to succeed. Stay focused and remember you're one step closer to earning that well-deserved doctoral degree. For more tips and resources, visit our website. If you need more help navigating this very complicated process, please reach out to us. Wishing you all the best on your dissertation journey.